All right, guys, today here we have a 2019 Ford F-150. As you can see, it's used like a truck. It's pretty dirty, you know, going a little off-road. Got a little scratches on the wheels. Just your normal basic truck you see on the road. Well, this customer wanted to upgrade his dirty old cloth seats to some nice, beautiful katzkin leather. Because, you know, to be honest, around 2019, your vehicle's pretty old by now. I mean, I have an 18 at home, so, you know, I get it. But on this particular one, went ahead and redid it with black leather. Parchment is the beige color you see. And they also added in this tooled leather accent. It's on the inserts, well, the strip down the middle, and it's also right here on the sides. Now, you can get this tooled leather anywhere you want. You can get it right here on the inserts. You can get it just on the wings. You can pretty much get it wherever you want. So that's how the front looks. Pretty good. And let's take a look at the back. Back looks pretty straightforward. I don't know, what do you guys think? Think it's too much? Think it's just right? Like just enough of the little tool leather to pop to where you gotta actually look and you'll notice it. It's not like jumping out at you, but when you see it, you're like, oh, that's cool. Yeah, so that's the interior. Let me know what you guys think.